Refrigerator making a weird noise. Refrigerator making a weird noise. Let's see what's going on. Noises. Buzzing. This will happen if a refrigerator has an ice maker but is not connected to a water supply. Chattering when dispensing ice. This could mean the water line is kinked. Straighten out the kink, and the noise should stop. Clicking. This is another noise that can happen if a refrigerator has an ice maker but is not connected to a water supply. Clicking can also occur when the dual evaporator valve is regulating the cooling operation. It happens as the unit switches from cooling one compartment to the other. Door alarm. This will sound when the refrigerator or freezer door has been open for 5 minutes while the cooling is turned on. The alarm will repeat every 2 minutes until the door is closed. A dripping sound. This could be caused by water dripping onto the defrost heater during the defrost cycle. Grinding or squeaking. This could happen if the refrigerator is not level. Use a level on all sides of the refrigerator. Follow specific instructions for leveling from your refrigerator's use and care guide. Gurgling. You might hear this sound after a cooling cycle as the refrigerant flows through the tubes. You also might hear it when opening and closing the doors as water is equalizing in the drain tube. This happens more during times of high humidity. Rattling. This sound can be caused by the flow of refrigerant through the cooling system or the flow of water through the water line. It can also happen when items are stored on top of the refrigerator. Sizzling or hissing. This could be caused by water dripping onto the defrost heater during the defrost cycle. Thumping or hammering. This can be caused by the water line during a fill cycle. Source Amana.com